The next group of families we will be going into are the pipefish and seahorses, some of the most charismatic species. The first family is Solenostomidae, the ghost pipefish. These are extremely well camouflaged due to their highly decorated fins. The next family is Sygnathidae, of which there are both pipefish and seahorses. Pipefish are horizontal and have straight and slender bodies with elongated mouths. Seahorses swim vertically and have their head angled downwards and a curled tail. The first family, Solenostomidae, have well-developed and decorated fins. Species in this family are very small, reaching a maximum length of 10 centimeters. You can find them near reefs or in seagrass beds, where they forage for small invertebrates along the bottom. They are usually paired but are extremely well camouflaged, making them very difficult to find. The first Solenostomidae species we will review is Stelenosomus paradoxus, the ornate ghost pipefish. These have the characteristic large, decorated fins and come in a variety of color patterns. This is Stelenosomus cyanopterus. These can be anywhere from a dark brown to bright green and resemble a piece of seagrass or seaweed. And lastly, we have Solenostomus halimeda. These are generally bright green with rounded fins, resembling a green algae species. The next family we will discuss is Sygnathidae, the pipefish and seahorses. Pipefish are small fish with elongate straight body and an upright second dorsal fin. They are around 10 centimeters in length on average and can be found on or near the reef where they feed on minute invertebrates. These are solitary species with highly variable color patterns. The first pipefish species we will discuss is Corycthoides schultzi. These have horizontal stripes running across the head and through the eye. Colors vary but are generally heavily patterned with a solid colored tail. Next up is Doryhamphus excisus, a species of flagtail pipefish. These have a large blue horizontal stripe through the body and a wide tail with a light-colored margin. Next is Dunkerocampus pesuphileus. These are bright yellow-colored with uniform small vertical stripes running down the body and a large orange tail with a white spot in the middle. This is Dunkerocampus dactylophorus. These are white and brown striped. They have a large red tail with white margins and 2 white spots in the middle. Next is Sygnathoides biaculeatus. These are green and can be found in seagrass beds where their camouflage hides them from both prey and predators. Notice the lack of distinct tail fin. The last species we will cover in this family is Trachyhamphus bioactatus. These are found in soft bottom environments, generally algae or seagrasses. This is one of the largest pipefish species, reaching a max length of 40 centimeters. They are generally white or brown colored and can be found on the bottom hunting small invertebrates. The next group of species in the Sygnathidae family are the seahorses. These swim vertically but have an angled head and tail which lacks a fin. The largest species can grow to 30 centimeters, however they are generally found around 10 centimeters in length. Their main environment is seagrass and algae beds, where they feed on small invertebrates. They can be found either solitary or in pairs, and like pipefish, have very variable color patterns. We will only review 2 seahorse species in this section. The first is Hippocampus hystrix, the spiny seahorse. These can be anywhere between bright yellow and dark brown to black colored, and have large spines protruding down the body. And lastly is Hippocampus cura. These also vary in color and look very similar to Hippocampus hystrix. However, they lack the spines down the body. Quiz time! We have a small overview to test your knowledge of the pipefish and seahorse families. Can you tell the difference between Solenostomidae and Sygnathidae families? Pause the video to see how you do. Are you ready? Remember that Solenostomidae, or ghost pipefish, have elongated bodies but with very clear fins and sometimes ornate patterning. Sygnathidae encompass both pipefish and seahorses. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video to continue your fish identification.